Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Wrike with Okta SSO easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate Wrike with Okta SSO, start by logging in to your Okta admin account. Once logged in, navigate to the Applications section from the dashboard. In the Applications tab, click on Add Application to begin the process. Search for Wrike in the application catalog. Select Wrike from the search results and click on Add. On the Application Settings page, fill in the required fields. Configure the appropriate SAML settings according to your organization's needs. Pay close attention to the Single Sign-On URL and Audience URA fields. After entering the required SAML settings, click on Next. In the Sign-On section, you will see a summary of your configuration. Review the configurations and click Finish once you are satisfied. Next, navigate to the General tab of your newly created Wrike application. Here, locate the Integration section for additional setup options. Copy the identity provider metadata URL or download the metadata file. Now, log into your Wrike account as an admin. In Wrike, go to the Account Management section. Select Security from the available options. Next, find the Single Sign-On tab. Paste the identity provider metadata URL or upload the metadata file. Configure any additional options as per your organization's requirements. Once everything is set, save your changes. To test the integration, log out of Wrike. Then navigate to your Okta dashboard and select the Wrike application. You should be redirected to Wrike without needing to enter your credentials again. If everything works smoothly, congratulations on setting up Okta SSO with Wrike. If you encounter issues, review your SAML settings to ensure accuracy. That's it for this easy tutorial on authenticating Wrike with Okta SSO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.